In this video, I'm going to show you one easy trick to save the bubbles in sparkling wine. If we haven't met before, my name is James Follent and I make videos for wine lovers to learn more about the world of wine. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Now into that one easy trick. After you've opened a bottle of sparkling wine, maybe served an entree and left it out, the bubbles start to escape and leave the bottle. So that one easy trick is to make sure you have prepared and on hand a special closure for sparkling wine. So this goes on simply to keep the popping sound in, keep the pressure in, keep those gases in that form part of those bubbles. It's a closure that securely seals the bottle and holds all the bubbles in and helps preserve it. So you could put it in the fridge and drink it the next day or the day after. It helps keep the sparkling wine fresh and the bubbles intact. And it's an easy and simple solution to making your wine last longer. And all you have to do is make sure you have one handy, push it down onto the top of the bottle and press the clasp to lock it down, and that's ready to go back into the fridge. What questions do you have about sparkling wine? Please comment below and let me know, and I can answer them in a future video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to help share this with other people on YouTube so that YouTube suggests it to them so that it can help them out as well if they're looking for an easy way to make the bubbles in sparkling wine last longer. And if you're enjoying the content I'm creating about wine, please consider subscribing to this community of wine lovers. And remember, wine is best shared with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video. There we go. I think I'm ready. Just need to grab the jacket.